swing level 3.
Well, plus.
Well, either. We did a couple things. Big thing for leaders that we kind of talked about many different ways, but the thing we're trying to get you to do as leaders, at the end of the swing out, you want to catch your follower, so you feel something, but not so that they feel like they should come in already. Now, in the beginning of the next swing out, then you make them come in. So it should feel like catch, come in, catch, come here. And what happens so often is that the catch is stiff, and it makes the folks come in too early. Whether you're here with it, or here with it, or moving too far with it, something is making them catch to a pump. So we talked to leaders about bending for God's sake, and I think we said like a lot of exaggeration could be good, where you be like, think that you're here, and you're 100% here, which would be good. So try and keep this posture and avoid this all the time. That would be great. So the leaders can have that. And think maybe less is more. Be in the right spot, but don't pull hard. Be in the right spot and swing up. You got your partner, and then you do the step. That one we work on mainly for leaders. And then followers.
Followers, we talked about drawing here on 6. They're kind of like almost like folding into your hand, but it's not like folding because actually you're just twisting more. So this keeps facing partner. 6, 7, 8. So you get more twisted inside.
Show it slow up. On a normal swing, you can just take it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everything's still going that way at 6, 7, 8. It's lining up. Lines up. Twist, twist. Let's talk about followers. Really trying to hit those twists with a lot more twists, and then travel after the twists. And one of the practices we did was having leaders swing out. And just like not swing out, swing out. And what usually happens is the leaders will swing out, the followers take a big step forward, and then they both go right. We don't live in the middle of nothingness here. We want you to keep the feeling, follow. You stay in that feeling until. In leaders, what happens right after the leader will be like, I don't know, what do you think? And they do all sorts of weird shit. And we just want leaders to take steps or a count, just something simple, but don't need something else. Keep your hands still and hang out. When you're ready to go. Just mixing it up. That is something that if you go to social dance for, you are a douchebag. But if you do it in practice, and someone who knows you're doing it, you're fine. Yeah? So, I think that's about it. We'll see y'all next week for more stuff.